What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today, Tuesday, July 29th, we have another amazing video here at Costco. I'm showing you the discontinued deals here at the warehouse. Now, a lot of people wonder, how do I put out a new clearance video every Friday? How do I source these clearance items? And this video, we're going to show you exactly how. And starting the video off, in the number one spot, we have the Vitamix Pro Blender. This is a Costco exclusive, and it's also been marked discontinued. How do we know? If we look at the price sign, we can see the star in the top right corner. That indicates that this product has been marked discontinued. Also, Costco has applied a nice discount to it. They're taking $80 off the price. It's the same price at Costco.com as well. I am going to put up a little banner if it's the same price. That way I don't have to repeat it throughout the video. Now today, they're bringing the price down to $319.99. And the whole premise of today's video is trying to understand Costco's price sign so we can make an educational guess when a product may or may not go on clearance depending upon the inventory at your local warehouse. We can take this Ninja Blast for example. It has been marked discontinued. They also gave us a great deal a couple of weeks ago, but now it's back up to full price, which is fine, but we're hoping it's going to drop on clearance next. Sometimes, even though they marked it discontinued and gave us a great deal, sometimes they'll give us another deal instead of putting it on clearance, but here it is at $79.99. And next up from iDesign, we do have their acacia wood serving tray. Now I like it because it is lightweight, but it also has a hint or hue of gray in it, which I'm not a huge fan of. I wish it had more of a golden hue to it, but it is $23.49. It has been marked discontinued, and we are hoping for this tray to drop on clearance within the next couple of weeks or so. So I did want to add a couple of Costco online deals I did want to show you. We have the Wesson Fabric Pushback Recliner. Check out this price, delivered right to your front door for $349.97. It's gray, has a nice pocket coil seat cushion, and this is a fantastic price, especially delivered to your home. You don't have to worry about going to the warehouse and picking it up. $349.97. So I think it was about a couple of weeks ago where I did show everyone the Sun Villa outdoor umbrella. It's a 10-foot umbrella. It does have the solar LED lights, as you can see. It's super lightweight, sturdy, has that rust-resistant aluminum frame to it. It's also fade and chip resistant. Now this umbrella is pretty awesome because you can charge it with a cord, or it has a solar so you can charge it two different ways, which is pretty awesome. Now check out that price, $124.97. That's pretty amazing. The navy sold out very, very fast, so definitely jump on this if you like it. So these items at Costco online that I'm showing you, these are clearance items. And how do we know it's clearance? Because it ends in a 97. This item from Kohler, their bathroom faucet set, is a pretty amazing price. It's polished chrome. That's the only one they have available, but it does have the scratch shield technology, which is great. It's also 1.2 gallon max flow rate, which is another great feature it has. $59.97. You really can't beat it. I always say in my videos, when you think of Costco, a lot of people often don't think about home improvement, but Costco does have some pretty amazing items when it does come to home improvement. And here we are back at the warehouse in the number 7 spot. Another great product from Kohler. We have their hand shower. Now this hand shower, 1.75 gallons per minute. Also has that nice magnetic dock, so when you take it off the dock, you can really click it back into place. Pretty simple. Now it has that full coverage, which I like. This has been marked discontinued. It's available at Costco online if you want to choose other color options, but it is $52.99 at Costco.com. Here at the warehouse, $10 off at $44.99. And before I forget, friends, we did announce a new giveaway in yesterday's video. Don't forget to watch that. Now, we're giving away the Ion Tailgater Tough, their Bluetooth speaker. I'll leave a link in the comment section. If you want to enter the giveaway, just click the link to enter and follow the directions from there. It's absolutely free to enter the giveaway. In the number 8 spot, we're looking at the Moen single-hole bathroom faucet. They're taking $15 off the price. We can see it has been marked discontinued. Already sold out at Costco.com, so you do have to buy it here at the warehouse. Now, we have two different color options or two different variations to choose from. At Costco online, they did have 3. They're bringing the price down to $54.99. We have another Kohler product on the chopping block. This time we have their kitchen faucet. When it comes to these faucets that they sell here at Costco, you have to be aware of the measurements. Now this one, it looks pretty awesome. It's their Pro kitchen faucet here. Very heavy duty, very industrial looking, if that's the look you're going for. It's also massive, so be aware of that. You have to have at least 8-foot ceilings, if not vaulted, or 10-foot ceilings. You have to have a good amount of height because this faucet is massive. It's almost 2 feet in height. They're taking $70 off the price, $129.99. Another cool item they sell here at the warehouse that has been marked discontinued are these very cool retractable screen doors. Now, they only have the standard size at my local warehouse at 80 inches, but if you head over to Costco.com, they have 4 other color options you can choose from and 2 other sizes. So we have black, brown, light brown, and white. We also have the short version at 78 inches and the tall version at 96. Now, these screen doors are super simple to install. It only takes about 30 minutes. You can install it right hand or left hand. You can choose. Now, they are taking $25 off the price, bringing it down to $144.99. So hopefully you can read that price sign. Costco's lighting was shining right on it. Let's have a look at the door size very quickly. Now, this door, standard size, between 32 and 36 inches in width and 80 inches in height. That's pretty much your standard size when it comes to a door. And right in front of me, we also have the Govee lights on the chopping block. These are their Pro LED strip lights, indoor strip lights, and a lot of people love them because you can link them up to the app. They're very, very customizable, very user-friendly. They look amazing, super bright, and today they have been marked discontinued. These lights are awesome. So they are 15 meters in length, or some of you may say 49.2 feet in length. They look amazing. These are the Pro lights, $49.99. You also have that smart voice control activation as well. So let's have a quick peek at these extension cords that also have been marked discontinued. We do get a 2-pack here. We also get the little splitter. Now, these extension cords, there's not many left in the inventory. Now, a lot of people underestimate how busy a Costco gets on the weekends. Super busy. A lot of items sell out very, very fast. If you want to grab this, you don't feel like waiting, you don't have much inventory, definitely grab it at $44.99. And right behind me, look how many Tommy Bahama lights we still have left. The down lights, 6-pack, $19.97. The baller lights, a $19.97. That comes in a 5-pack. Now, a lot of people like this next item in the number 13 spot. We have the garage LED downlight. Now, a lot of people love this one. I remember when it first came out, a lot of people bought it and a lot of people loved it. It's pretty cool because you could angle the light in different positions. Let me grab this one up here since it's not plugged in. Now, look at this. You can bend the light a certain way. That way you can shine it towards certain areas of the garage. Pretty cool little light here, and the price is not bad because you do get a 2-pack here, $23.99. That has been marked discontinued as well. So I'm pretty sure most of you know by now that I am remodeling my kitchen. I did want to add some wall sconces to the right and left of the window above the kitchen sink, but I forgot to run the electrical. So this is a great alternative. These are wireless, and when they die, all you got to do is just plug them in and charge them back up. These are pretty nice. I like the brushed brass look, and these are $29.99. We also have these Columbia outdoor blankets. These are awesome. They're 72 by 72. They're packable blankets. All you got to do is roll them up. They come with a nice shoulder strap. They're machine washable for easy care. And they do have a nice waterproof outer shell, which is pretty cool. Now, they have five different variations to choose from here at the warehouse, or you can buy them at Costco.com. They're $18.99 at Costco.com, so not too much. Here at the warehouse, they're taking $4 off the price, bringing it down to only $12.99. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, friends, don't forget to come down and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're enjoying the video so far, hit that like button at the end of the video and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. In the number 16 spot from Lutech, we have their 12-inch outdoor LED wall light. Has that beautiful farmhouse look to it. Also has a bright warm light, 1200 lumen bulb. Has a dusk till dawn feature. You can see there has a copper accent underneath, which is pretty cool. And today, they're taking $5 off the price, marked it discontinued, bringing it down to $19.99. It's $10 more at Costco.com. And once again, in the number 17 spot, these have been marked discontinued again. We have the Easy On gutter guards, and then they have the stainless steel micro mesh, as you can see there. Comes with a 30-year warranty, super easy to install. You can either use a double-sided tape or you can screw them down. You have 2 different ways to install them. They come with a nice 30-year warranty. Very nice product here. No more clogged gutters. Now, me personally, I'm not a huge fan of them, but I am tempted to buy them this year and install them on my home. And now, currently, they are giving us a great discount. They're taking $15 off the price, bringing it down to $54.99. In the number 18 slot from Sabatier, we have their Build-A-Board. This is their bamboo serving board, and it does come with a lock and lid. Now, when this board first came out, I wasn't a huge fan of it. I thought it was overpriced, especially for $20. All it is the bamboo and a nice little lid, and that's it for $20. But today, they're giving us a great 25% discount. They're taking $5 off the price. Not bad at all, bringing the price down to only $14.99. I do expect a $10 clearance price. And because my house is such a mess, we have so many renovations going on, I don't have any water lines hooked up to the refrigerator, so I'm consistently having to buy ice. But these are pretty handy. If you're not going to use them for alcohol, I like to use them and put them in my tumblers, keeping my water nice and cold. And they come in a 4-pack here. I do have to buy more. These are super cool. I like them a lot. I didn't think I was going to like it that much, but these are very useful, especially now for me. They're taking $4 off the price, bringing the price down to only $7.99. In the number 20 spot, we have the MetaQuest 3S. They're a little bundle set. Now, this does have 256 gig. Also comes with a Batman game, a nice carrying case, and it even comes with a 3-month trial membership of the Horizon Plus. Now, unfortunately, this unit is not 4K. I was hoping it was, but it's not. It does have high-def resolution, 1832 by 1920 pixels per eye, not 4K as you can see. So hopefully it does drop way down on clearance, but as of now, $399.99. And back over to Costco online, we have the bunch of balloons. If you missed out on this deal at the warehouse, you can grab it here at Costco.com. They're on clearance for a 2-pack bundle set, $29.97. At the warehouse, they sell in a single set. Here on Costco.com, you have to buy the 2-pack. 13 balloons per container, so you do get 26 balloons in total. Now these balloons, what's so special? They're reusable. That's why they're expensive. Now these are from the brand Zuru, $29.97. These are reusable balloons, great for the ages of 3+. Also from Stanley, we have their Junior Garden Tool Set. Now this is on clearance here at Costco.com. Pretty cool little price here. You get 3 tools, so that's pretty much $10 a tool you're paying for. Realistic lights, sound features. These are pretty awesome for the set. Now, these are not on clearance at my local warehouse yet, but they are on clearance at Costco.com. If you want to save a little bit more money, wait till they drop on clearance at your local warehouse. If not, you can just buy it here at Costco.com. What's nice about some of these Costco clearance deals, especially when it comes to furniture, a lot of times delivery, setup, and package removal is included, which is pretty amazing in the deal. Now, this 5-piece fabric sectional you can pick up. It does come with a storage ottoman, and it does include delivery, setup, and package removal. And check out that clearance price, pretty awesome at $1,299.97. How can you beat that? Has nice solid wood legs, a nice dark finish to it. The ottoman has storage, pretty nice price. And here we are back at the warehouse. Let's have a look at the rotary food grater. Now it does come with stainless steel drums, as you can see. 5 different attachments. I feel like when this landed here at the warehouse, it didn't sell very well, and Costco marked it discontinued almost immediately. Now I am curious what the clearance price is going to drop to, or what it's going to go on clearance for, because we do have plenty of inventory left. Costco does like to follow trends on social media. This was a pretty popular one. We're all over social media, and here it is at Costco. You can still grab it for $24.99, but I do hope it drops on clearance down to $14.97 or maybe $9.97. Another great discontinued deal here at the warehouse. You have the Melamine 5-piece serving set. As you can see there, you do get the 2 serving trays and 3 bowls. And check out that price. You're getting a nice $3 savings today. Now, I'm not a huge fan of plastic items, but when it comes to this is a great price. A 5-piece set. If you like to entertain, you're doing any outdoor barbecues, this is a great item to pick up, especially for the price. Not bad at all. $3 off the price, only $9.99. It's also available on clearance at Costco.com. I believe it's $14.97 there. In the number 20 spot, if you have a lot of inventory left like this, don't buy these, just wait. They're definitely going to drop on clearance. These are the Sun Villa Chase. I saw these drop on clearance, I think to like $70 last year, maybe even less. I can't even remember. But look at the price now. We have a drastic price drop. Just wait. If you have a lot of inventory, I don't think these are going to sell out in the weekend. These sell pretty slowly here at the warehouse. Now, if you have time to wait, definitely wait. Check out the price. They're taking $40 off the price, bringing it down to $149.99. I do believe these are going to at least drop down to a minimum of $100. And finally, in the number 27 spot, we have the Fantic drill. Now, a lot of times when there's very little inventory like this left, we have a great discontinued deal applied to it. A lot of times it's just going to sell out. It may never go on clearance. It may just sell out before it goes on clearance. If you don't want to take the chance for it to go on clearance before it sells out and you want it, just buy it now. Check the app every day. Look for that clearance price. And if it does drop on clearance, run to the warehouse, get the price correction, and there you go. You can grab it now at $49.99. All right, friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do put out some of the best Costco content around. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, support the channel. If you already support the channel, so leave us a comment. Let us know how your weekend went. Let us know what items you liked in today's video. Also, friends, if you have Instagram, head over to Instagram. Follow me at Watch the Deal Finder. And don't forget, enter the giveaway. It's absolutely free. I am going to leave a link in the comment section. Just click the link, follow the directions from there. I'll see you tomorrow with Costco's coupon book. Peace.